Good morning, everyone. I'm the final year student, and my name is Zhong JunYu, and my mentor number is 195634. And my faculty internship supervisor is called Amir Hamza bin Sharai. Today, I'm going to talk about four parts. I'm going to present four parts of my internship, which is introduction, activities, reflection, conclusion, and recommendations. Okay, so firstly is the introduction part. The company that I'm working for, which is called EnviroWorks. EnviroWorks is the company that responsible to do indoor air quality assessment, which is located on Bangsa, Kuala Lumpur. And during the past 6 months, I was working for the department which is called EIH, Environmental Industrial Hygiene, and my industrial supervisor is called Iwa Shakira Binti Zainoris. She is the EIH senior executive, and she is also my supervisor. And the company background of the EnviroWorks. EnviroWorks is a company that provides indoor air quality test, air quality improvement, and sales of the health products. Okay, so the reason I choose this company um, is because of I want to explore the new study field, because air quality is one of the field that I involved with in my university life. But indoor air quality, it sounds more like a new field to me. And the reason I choose this company, it also have a lot of factor, because of the COVID-19 pandemic effect. Many companies are no longer hiring under the like a pandemic situations, because they prefer to hire the people who have the transportation, because using public transportation to go to work, it may has the potential health risk to the working area. And also they prefer to hire the local people because I can speak Malay. So EnviroWorks is one of the company that willing to give me the interview opportunities, and also they are the company that willing to accept me as their the industrial trainee. So that's why I'm working for EnviroWorks in the past 6 months for my industrial training. The objectives of this internship, personal objective that I plan to achieve during these internships, it has the three. One is explore, try new field and learn how to broaden my horizon, learn something that I never learned from university. And the second is practice, through these opportunities to explore new areas, new field, and practice many times to achieve the goal of the graduate understanding. And the last point is the most important point, which is called improve. Based on the accumulated the internship experiences, I can realize that the situation in society and campus is completely different. I can know how to adjust myself to face the workplace in the future. It could be very helpful for my future to fit in the working environment. About the activities that I involved in the past 6 months, usually every time when I went to the site assessment, I'm the person who in charge of data collection for physical parameter and chemical parameters. So the first one is the monthly walkthrough inspection. Me and my EIH team, we went to Johor for weeks. We went to Hospital Moa, Hospital Kolai to do the monthly walkthrough inspection. Monthly walkthrough inspection, you usually like observe the source of the problem that causes the poor air quality. Like we will find out what is the source that room has, such as the mold stain, dry water stain, and the heat radiance from the windows. These are the factors that causes the poor indoor air qualities. We need to figure out, and also we will use the equipment to check the physical parameter like temperature, humidity, and the dew points, and also air movement. And the next one is IQ at Hospital Pendacheras. I did the IQ indoor air quality assessment at Hospital Pendacheras last month. I'm responsible for physical and chemical parameter data collection and also the area observation. I need to remark any special issue in the site, and also need to remark any problem that need to fix uh, in the Excel sheet, and also need to key in the data in the Excel sheet. As you can see on the right side of the pictures, you can see I'm holding the pad to key in the data and also keep reading those data from the equipment. IQ assessment at Hospital Romping. Hospital Romping was the last size assessment for my internship. We went there. I also did the same thing as what I did at Hospital Pentacharas. IQ assessment at Hospital Shah Alam. Hospital Shah Alam is the longest time that I stay there. I stay for indoor air quality test because Hospital Shah Alam is a very big, very large public hospital. We have more than 50 points, 15 points to do the indoor air quality test, indoor air quality assessment. So we spend almost 8 days there to do the data collections, and also helping the college to do the ventilation check during the site assessment. So these 4 places, I give these 4 places. I also went to many places, so but it's too much. I just give 4 example here. Reflection: what have I learned from this past 6 months? Valuable and unique learning experiences. Okay, about this, of course, through this internship, I finally experienced working in a company related to environmental knowledge and learn more about the indoor air quality. And I was able to collect the data on the spot. I'm familiar with the process. It can really helpful for my future working. I can fit in the work faster. Problem encountered and solution taken. I think the problem that is the internship brought me was how to find a suitable time to keep spending time in the company in the first 2 months, because during the first 2 months the company was not very busy. My department was not very busy, so they didn't give me a lot of tasks to do. So I feel like I was very free that time, so I just keep reading some guideline and learning some basic knowledge about the indoor air quality. But after 2 months, suddenly there are many reports for me to do to learn, and also there are many site assessments to go in other state. Like those certain pressure makes me feel a little bit confused how to do it. Although there are some small mistake in the rush to complete the report and need to be correct, but I still keep in mind that every time if I make a mistake, I need to make sure I will not make that mistake again. I need to do it better next time. Whether I achieve my personal objective, of course. Through the internship, I fully achieved my goal. In the past 6 months, I followed with the team to practice personally collect the data and process the report from the place, and learn more about the field of the work from it, and which make me feel very satisfied because I learned a lot. I accumulate a lot of working experiences. The conclusion and recommendation. The conclusion for these internships: as an intern, I entered the indoor air quality company for the first time. I try my best to apply the knowledge that I learned from the university to practice. I follow the company regulation, such as not to be late. Um, Familiarize myself with the office affairs. In addition, the most important is I can deeply learn more about how indoor air quality is affected by the potential factors, how those indoor air quality can affect the occupant's health. This practice has depended my understanding of the society, how to get along with the college, how to complete the work task carefully, and do my best to complete the task that I'm responsible for. For the recommendations, for myself, I think I realized that sometimes I didn't have enough concentration at work. This is the point that must be improved in the future. I also realized that after working in the future, like learning cannot be stopped. I must keep learning to stay competitive in the society, because with more knowledge to help others, others will respect you more. And the last thing is I want to say thanks for this journey with environment companies. I met a lot of friendly colleagues. They taught me a lot. They treat me very well, and also they always give me the best advice to do something, to do the task, to finish the task properly. And I gained many good memories in this company in the past 6 months. I really appreciate that. I always believe that this company will keep becoming better in the future. And there's one more thing I remember was uh, the boss was really nice. Last time I couldn't join one of the site assessment due to I had a bad fever during the EMCO. That was really sensitive things, sensitive issues. But boss um, knows that. He knows that, and then he contact me. He PM me, ask me whether I'm fine, whether I'm good, if I need any help, if I need any food, something like. He will let the staff to send the food to me, as long as I told him. That makes me really grateful. The boss was really nice. So that's all. I wish we might have a chance to meet again. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.